Hello. This week's video session and practice and simulation will be on flying in a straight line while using the yaw function. So we're going to need to make sure we have everything set up. So we have our Quadcopter X, and in this one I do want you to use the Quadcopter X unmanned aircraft system. Make sure under your gadgets that you have your nav guides, your radio. You will not want your binocular, your viewport, and you have your Quadcopter X, and you are a Joe's Garage HD. Make sure of all those things. Now, one thing we need to fix here, we can see this is not first-person view, so we're going to go highlight the area. It should be a little red box that comes around it. View, camera type, live FPV feed, and you have that. Now, I'm going to make this view box just a little bit smaller. It's a little too big for the exercise we're doing now. So I'm going to bring this down. Get it at a comfortable level. Your level might be a little different. I like a little extra ability to see when I'm doing this video. But what are we going to do? What you're going to do is you're going to give me 10 back and forth flights in a straight line while yawing at the same time. So, what does that mean? And this will be difficult because you'll probably get to about 4 or 5 and then you'll make a mistake. I don't want you to redo the whole video. I want you to find a way to correct yourself. Because in the real world, you're not going to hit reset. You're not going to have a perfect flight all the time, if ever. But what you are going to do is develop the ability to correct yourself. Alright, so let's do our control check because we've done our pre-flight checklist, correct? And we're going to yaw. And making sure that it yaws and it's not continuously moving, making sure everything is calibrated. We're going to pitch forward, pitch back, roll right, roll left. Well, let's roll here and take a look at something. Notice that you have this flag at this corner, and you have this flag at this corner. Because we're going to use those. We're not going to go particularly high. We're going to go about 6 feet off the ground. If you're at 5 feet or 4 feet, that's fine as long as you're above the flag. You're going to get it over the flag. And you're going to start facing the other flag. Now, what are we doing here? We're going to go forward. Go nice and slow the first time you do it. Yaw. And then you're going to continue going straight. You're going to yaw a little bit more. And continue going straight. And you're going to yaw again. And continue going straight. Then you'll yaw. And straighten out. And yaw. And straighten out. And it won't be perfect. And then you're going to go, that's 1. Then you're going to yaw. But you want to continue to move while you're yawing. So it's going to be 1 continuous motion. I'm going to be yawing. And yawing to the X. And you can see that you'll make a little few errors. I'm doing this on purpose. And then you'll build up your skills over time, and you'll begin to move a little bit faster with the exercise. And then you'll switch back. And I want you to try in the course of your 10, so we did 3 there. You're going to do this 10 times. I want you to start slow. Then the next one a little bit faster. And a little bit faster. And I want you to work the controls until they're natural for you. And move yourself forward. Once you can do this 10 times with increasing intensity and speed and with increasing accuracy, then go ahead and videotape yourself 10 times or set up a go-to meeting with your instructor or conduct this in a classroom setting if that's possible. And be prepared to demonstrate your excellent skills at straight line yaw maneuvers. Once you've done that, you've completed your 10, you will return to the helipad. So on the helipad, you'll be able to land. I'll see you in the next video.